the categorization there determines which illnesses will be covered by insurance organizations, which medicines, pills, or which treatments will be covered by in other words, it may appear that we are just there fighting for some minor theoretical points. Is hysteria illness or not? We are talking about hundreds of millions of dollars. Because do you know that, speaking about military-industrial complex, but you know that in the United States, let's call it medical-industrial complex, spends twice the money more than the entire military-industrial complex.